Hey everyone and welcome back. These next 51 seconds show my journey from Long Island to Vernon, New Jersey and Mount Creek Bike Park. This is going to be my first time actually downhilling. Yeah, I'm coming in. This is Todd, a coworker of mine, a lover of downhill mountain biking, and I think the only person more excited about today than me.
You got that one? All right? They're gonna say something.
First run.
First run, yeah, it's gonna be good.
This is Brendan, Pivot Cycles factory demo driver, ultra marathoner, really cool guy, and the reason Todd and I are here today.
Let's keep it all in one piece, we'll be good.
Oh, this is so exciting.
This is great, I love this. This is good. Remember, just take it down, take the first run easy.
I'm gonna let both of you guys go ahead of me.
You are, right?
Because I got the least experience here and I don't want to get hurt.
I gotcha.
I just want to have fun. A lot of fun.
It's all the one with all the tabletops and all that?
Yeah,
and those smaller wall rides? I was watching videos. Yeah. All that basic.
You probably know every trail here.
That's fine, yeah.
Alright. Here we go. The pump track's to the left, Todd. Yeah. This is awesome! As you can see, our first run wasn't too exciting. We rolled over all the jumps and avoided a lot of the obstacles. Let's go on to something a little bit more exciting.
GoPro, turn on.
Here's two more Long Island locals that we met up at Mountain Creek. The founding members of the SS7, Big Paulie and Capo.
GoPro, record.
Alright. This part is awesome. Those are so cool. What are we gonna do?
Outlaw the Monarch to Legion.
Okay.
Jump in wherever you guys want to get in. Eric, get in there. All right, see you later, guys.
After a few more runs in the blues and greens, I thought I was ready for a diamond, so I followed Brendan down one of the easier diamonds. Ooh.
There's a lot of alternate lines. Like there's like 50 ways around.
Yeah.
If we started on Legion, there's like a 50-50 chance we'll end up on Monarch anyway. So I'll do what I can to pick the easiest line down.
Oh man, this is crazy. Oh man, this is completely different. Yeah.
Well, that's I haven't ridden that skinny before. One day though.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one.
Yeah,
wow.
Way different, right?
That's tiring.
Yeah.
Slow and tiring. Well,
yeah.
You can go faster if you want.
You can. Yeah.
I can't see the line quick enough. I got unclipped and I couldn't get back in. I'm still out. There we go, I'm in. All right, I'm good. I didn't put my foot down though. It doesn't count.
This line, you really careful. You might want to watch it, or at least scout it.
Oh, oh, I stopped. This is not for me, this part.
Yeah, I would stay left.
Yeah, I'm gonna go left here.
I was gonna say, you can make the left, no problem.
First name again?
Scott.
Scott, Brendan.
No, it's a black.
No, it's just a diamond.
I'll follow. This is Brendan, not the Pivot demo driver. He's a triathlete, coach, and I only thought he was a roadie, but apparently not. This guy blew my mind. How are you?
There's nothing crazy down here. Oh, it's not.
Oh man, that was nice.
Wow, is that it? Like, wow. You could go as fast as you want right there and still not get on it.
One more back.
I followed you off the gap jump.
Yeah, nice.
I wasn't ready for it. And I cleared the last one here, which is nice.
Oh, yeah.
How's it feel? Good, right?
When you clear it, it feels good.
It just floats, man.
I cleared one. These are humongous. Oh my god.
Yeah, yeah.
These are like...
That last one's massive.
I'm going so slow.
There's a massive drop here. Go to the side of the drop and I'll jump off it.
Okay.
Just stay to the left.
This guy's doing it. There's a guy coming. Clear. Oh, that was perfect.
I didn't even get that because this was just so amazing.
That was perfect. Oh my god, that's such a good picture.
I won't go too fast because there's a lot of lines through here.
Okay.
It starts on the steep rock slab.
Whoa. Oof. Whoa. That is scary. I couldn't even stop to, like, you know, back out of it. I was committed. It's so steep, you can't change your mind.
That's why I like this, because you don't have to power move mid-ride or mid-descent. You can just go straight through every line.
Yeah, I think that was definitely the best way, right over the roots.
Yeah.
Just make sure you line up your tire good and you roll right over.
Left. I'm in a curve.
Lower to silent. Whoa! That's a roller, right?
This is roll, yeah.
All right.
If the roll, you gotta slow down at the bottom.
Oh my god! That was cool.
This is the line that we were just discussing.
What's the best way here? On your feet?
This is the one I told you I just cleaned. We did this.
If you come out here, can the bars clear this tree? Probably not, right?
No, I can't clear that. That's the hike or the slow way down. If you make it over this first hump, it's just a straight shot.
So you ride up here?
Yeah, I stayed on the high line right here and made it up and over this slab right here. But I'm not doing twice.
Right. Nice. I'm shaking right now from walking down that. I am shaking. Todd, it looks a lot different up there.
No, he said it's really steep. I know, and it's slippery. And once you
It looks so easy from down here.
When we saw lower,
You made it look pretty easy.
well, yeah. I've rolled it once today.
You gonna try it, Todd?
No,
I'll
because
walk
I
it
don't
a
want
lot.
to start sliding. I'll get torn
I
up
feel
and
like
everything.
I wanted to go in so slow, I was skidding into it, and that's the
That's why
problem.
you
That's,
lose
if you're
control.
skating into it, then you gotta.
I was skidding into it, and I
Lucky you
couldn't.
stop.
I was starting to shake. I'm like, I'm gonna go over the bars.
Once I hit that first hump, it's like hands off the brakes.
You
There's
just let it
no
roll,
touching 'em,
yeah.
You got
You have
speed
to.
so fast.
You do, but you have to let it roll. And just
Oh,
lean back.
all right, that's disappointing, but I'm glad I did the upper part.
Yeah, that's good. All right.
And the roller above that was crazy. The drop. Little drop. Oh, you got it. Nice. Oh, too late. Stay left, Todd. Stay left. Left again. Stay left. Stay left. Not too far, but yeah. Left again. Left again. He's not trying to kill us, Todd.
I know. I've ridden it twice. I rolled it blind the first time. It's very short too.
Okay. Stay left, Todd. Follow me. And then right down the middle. Oh, I went right in that hole. I saw it too. That, I was a little out of control there.
Yeah, see, that's just continuous rocks. Thankfully, it's a straight line. I mean, this top to bottom is...
I fell right in that hole. You see that?
Yeah, right there at that little crack.
The worst spot. Luckily, the rear tire stayed on the rim. I was a little out of control there. Oh, hold up.
Okay. You doing up a D yet?
What's going on?
Did you go check out the other one? I want to go get the tables with the wall ride. Is that the other wall ride?
Anyone going?
Hold on, hold on. But I would have just been right with you.
Those two tabletops after that wooden ramp? No?
Which one, the drop?
The little... This was the icing on the cake. All day I'd been hitting the middle progression drop and I really wanted to try the big one. On the last run of the day, I went for it. All right, now I'm happy.